Hi, it's Craig of Terram Landscapes and Tree Services from Arbroath. Today we're in Ladies Mill. You can see we've got medium-sized conifer going through a wild cherry. They're way too close to each other and interfering, so we're going to take the conifer out, stack it, cross cut ready for fire. We'll then take off a few of the branches at the back, even the tree out, and then reduce the silver birch next to it. So, get ready and get on with the job. Well, it's turned into a very windy day, but we've completed the job. So, conifer's gone. That's been stacked up here. Waste for dump, and wood ready for processing for wood burners. Stunts are taken low, burning around. Back of the cherry there, taking off a few of the branches at the back. So that's looking great. And then also taking down the silver birch, taking the top out of that. So already the garden's got a lot more space, a lot more light, and then this flower bed will be allowed to become a flower bed. So that's Terram Landscapes and Tree Services out of Arbroath. We cover Angus and Tayside. If you'd like a quote for any tree work, hedging, fencing or landscaping, you can find us on Facebook or Google, Terram Landscapes and Tree Services.